Hi guys, welcome to our third video. Today we are going through all the electrical and wiring stuff.
So we untangle and see what's wrong with the wiring. So we took out this ground cable, so we gotta solder it together.
Once it's done, we connect the cable back to the horn. We grounded it to the frame instead of the radiator, and now it works.
And we need to put this relay back up under the tank, which is where it's supposed to be, and then tidy up the cable here. Try out the new signal light that we have out of the corner.
In order to put the wire back to the original position, we have to put it through in between the tank and the frame. So it's pretty hard, you need a small hand to do it. It's good if you have a pincer to hook it back or something like that. So we bought a set of aftermarket signal light, and we found out that the signal light doesn't come with wires. So we removed the wires from our old signal light that we are not using anymore. And then we solder it to this set of signal lights and attach the wire connector so it can be properly installed back to our bike. Next, we wanted to rewire the IU because we found out the IU is on the wrong side out. It creates a very long slack which is very untidy and unnecessary. So we cut off all the cable ties and reroute the wire. And connect back to the source, which is the battery. Next, we want to fix the burn instrument issue, which nothing can be displayed on the speedometer. First thing first, we need to take it out. Then we need to disassemble the whole instrument to see what's going on inside. After we disassemble, first thing we found out is that the LCD is being soldered onto that plastic bracket, so we are not too sure whether we can take it out. So we try to remove the first layer or the outer layer of the polarized film and see what will happen. And we found that the burn is actually on the inner side of the LCD. As we don't have the desoldering kit, so we decided to clean it up and bring it to the professional. So we met the professional over his place and waited for about 2 hours. So in between we just have a meal. So everything is set and done, and we have our instrument as good as new. Thank you guys for watching this video. As the restoration goes on, see you on the next episode.